Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will compare two kajals. This is from Maybelline Colossal Kajal and this is from Lakme Iconic Kajal. So I will compare both the kajal, like what is their price, their texture, their finish, and my personal thought ki which one I really like most. So without any further detail, let's get started. So I will start first with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Now the price of this kajal is 170 rupees and it is smudge proof and waterproof and lasts long for 24 hours. Though it claims that it will last long for 24 hours, but honestly it lasts long more than that. Okay, now it is enriched with aloe vera, vitamin C and vitamin E. So it will prevent irritation and soothe your eye. And it is ophthalmologist tested, so you can wear it if you have sensitive eyes. This kajal is enriched with oil, so it will offer you a smooth application. You will not face any problem like pulling off the eyelid or anything else because it is enriched with oil. Now the finish of this kajal is matte. You can wear this kajal on daily basis like on school, college, office, or also you can wear it in any occasion. And this kajal don't have any variant of color, like it has only the black variant, but black में भी उसका difference है, एक तो है lighter black और एक deeper black. So you can buy it according to your preference, what kind of black you like. Now let's talk about the next kajal, which is Lakme Iconic Kajal. Okay, so the price of this kajal is 310 rupees, which is little bit high than the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and it is also smudge proof and waterproof and lasts long for 22 hours. But just like the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, it will last long more than 22 hours. But you don't need to wear kajal for 22 hours or 24 hours. 6 to 8 hours are enough. This kajal is also ophthalmologist tested, so you can wear it if you have sensitive eyes or you wear contact lenses. But Lakme has 5 different color: blue, white, grey, green and brown. So you can choose what do you want. जैसा option आपको Maybelline में नहीं मिलता है, आपको Lakme में मिलेगा. Now I will do a swatch test so you can see what's the difference. Now this is Lakme kajal. And this one is from Maybelline. Now honestly there are not much difference. This one is Lakme and this one is Maybelline. So let's merge it. Now Lakme is smudge easily, though it is smudge proof, but Maybelline don't smudge easily. Also it is smudge proof because Maybelline has a matte finish and Lakme is little bit creamier, little bit glossier. So and Lakme Iconic is more black, but Maybelline is not much black. So there are not much difference in between both of these, or they has difference in the texture, their color, and yes, so you can choose what is your preference, like what do you prefer. Do you prefer a matte finish kajal? Do you prefer a like little bit glossy and creamier kajal? So do you want a more black kajal, and do you want not much black? Okay, so it's all your preference. I personally like this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. First of all, well, Alia Bhatt is my favorite actress and she was the brand ambassador of this kajal. That's why I like this one much more than this one. But मैं काफ़ी सालों से इसी यही यूज़ कर रही थी, but I just thought let's try another kajal, so I bought this. But I like this one because it has a really matte finish which I really like, and this is for I think everyday kajal lover. Like if you wear kajal every day on daily basis, like आपको घर से 5 मिनट दूर भी जाना है तो भी आप काजल पहनते हो, so I will say that you should buy this. And और आप इतना काजल नहीं पहनते हो, like occasionally काजल पहनते हो, so you can go for this one because इसका जो टेक्सचर है, इसका जो कलर है वो ओकेशनली ज़्यादा सूट करता है, और इसका जो टेक्सचर है और इसका जो कलर है सो वो एवरीडे बेसिस पे ज़्यादा सूट करते हैं. So I hope I have cleared all of your doubts regarding both of this kajal. Now you can buy according to your preference. So that was my today's video. I hope you really like it. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye and yes, tata.